So we had about 4 inches of fluff here, and I thought, you know, I could broom the and use the ice scraper to clean this snow off, but it's like, let's try a leaf blower. So I went and I got my trusty, DeWalt 20 volt max blower here. It's a brushless blower, a lot of horsepower. Let's see what it can do with this snow. Well, that'll give you a little bit of an idea. Using a blower, left-handed of all things, I didn't really think that one through. I should have switched hands before I started going. But doing a left-handed version of the blower, we were able to clear the car off here. This is a little 20 volt, the brushless version, the XR from DeWalt here, leaf blower. You see these over Home Depot. A lot of places have these right now. You can go check them out. But I just want to give you an idea. It took about 2.5 minutes to clear the snow off the car. And it was about 4 to 5 inches of snow. This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. Thank you for watching.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.